Tteokbokki. Tteokbokki. It's halang. It's for ate. You will eat halang? You will eat spicy?
No.
What are you going to eat? You want to eat chicken?
Anak ko. No.
No. How will you say no? That one, you will say yes. Say yes.
Manok ma.
Yeah, it's yummy.
Ma. Manok.
No. Unsa English sa manok?
Chicken.
It's chicken. Is it yummy?
Yes.
How will you say yes? Okay, guwapo no eh. Ana man na eh. It's cheesy. Oh, cheesy. Say yummy. Hinay mo ha. Tusok ha. Ato bang be? Picture. Eat mo na. Ay.